Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. So I have to run into Hobby Lobby, and usually around this time they have some goodies for fall. So let's check out and see what I can find, and let's do a quick little walkthrough. And while I'm in there, I'm looking for a long cricket mat so I can make some bigger vinyl. So stay tuned. Hey guys, look what I just found. Wouldn't these be cute gnomes? Those are cute, guys. You see that right there? These are actually not. Oh, they're individual. Never mind. I thought it was a kit, guys. But those are very cute. And then we have two sides, guys. And it smells so good. Y'all see what's in that corner? Pumpkin spice. Oh, it smells so good. Let me make some pillows like this, guys, but I don't want to pay that price. Even, oh no, nothing's on sale right now. I have ideas, guys. You know I have ideas. So guys, I am in a sunflower kind of group, and I saw these. These are super cute. I could post maybe the group link, but they always have some cute stuff with sunflowers. But I wonder what this smells like. I don't know if I could open it, guys. I don't want to get in trouble because it's got wrappers on it, but maybe I could twist it somehow. Let me smell. Guys, you know I can figure it out, so I opened it. It smells really good, guys. It smells really, 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 really good. And don't mind their speaker in the front. Guys, look what they're doing. They put those shelves so high to almost the ceiling. Or above it. I don't know. I guess kind of. I mean, it's not that far, but don't worry. I didn't catch no workers. They moved. Did anybody ask for tea time? Oh my goodness, guys, this is so adorable. But $5.99 for this? I wish it was on sale. I would add this to my little cute tea collection. I know y'all are probably saying $5.99, that is cheap, girl. But you don't know. I'm frugal. But this is super cute, guys. Cheers. Guys, you're not gonna believe what just happened. So I found these cute little cans. Super adorable. Very hard to get off the lid. I'm sitting here shaking it, and I'm like, what is in there? I'm thinking something good like tea. Guys, it's silica gel packet. Bummer. Look what I found. My cup. So yeah, I need to pay attention to these sales, guys, because this would be half the price. It wasn't too bad when I bought it because I had a little bit of a discount. But y'all want my little cup, pink cup? It's at Hobby Lobby, 50% off right now. So cute, guys. So adorable, guys. These little cute tea kettles. Oh, so cute. And I've been seeing those little cups everywhere, guys. They're all different ones. Guys, look how cute this little tea, not tea. See, so many teacups. This cute little tea or tray. It's so small. I don't even know what you would kind of put on it, guys. If y'all have ideas for this, let me know in the comments, because like, it's literally small. They got vinyls on sale, guys. This is a really stocked shelf, guys. Typically, it does not look like this. They must have just updated this. Alright, guys, so I decided to wait a little bit for the mat. And I'll probably buy it in a couple weeks and see if I can get it on sale. Because it wasn't on sale today, even though the vinyl was on sale. So maybe I can see if there's any sales, and if there isn't, then I'll just purchase it when I can. Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.